Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can activate Google Assistant on your Android mobile phone. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So, the first thing that you need to do is open your Google app. For example, I have mine here. I'll open Google, not Chrome. Keep that in mind, open Google. And once you are on the main page of Google, what you need to do is just click or press on the more button on the bottom right corner of your screen, like this. Now this will take you to a page similar to mine, from which you need to select settings. As you can see right here, the little gear icon which says settings. And so once you are on settings, you'll see a bunch of options right here: general, notification, interest, Google Assistant, voice, language, and about. What you need to do is just select Google Assistant. Here it should take you to a page where it's going to ask for you to activate your Google Assistant. I already have mine activated right here, so I don't need to do that anymore. And as also we have a bunch of settings, for example, for your Google Assistant: voice match, languages, personalization, routine, reminders, music, and many others. Face match, family bell. You can also link your Google Assistant with other devices and all, just a bunch of options. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you could activate your Google Assistant. I hope to see you in the next video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.